AB, what's up, bro?
Hey, how's it going, man?
How are you, man? I'm doing
Doing
amazing.
good.
Sweet, dude. Well, how's it going, man? Welcome. And how can I help you become a better real estate wholesaler?
Hey, man, I just have a quick question. So I actually use this mic, to call. I call about 4 to 5 hours a day,
Nice.
to reduce the background noise
Respect
and
the
all that stuff.
grind, man.
Thank you. Hey, so just quick question. I'm going through the list. I use the Deal Machine to go driving for dollars, and I create my own way. When I'm following up with these people to filter through faster, what's the best way to basically, I guess, introduce yourself? What have you found is the best way to introduce yourself?
With cold calling driving for dollars leads?
Yeah, exactly. Because they don't have necessarily a problem. When I'm adding them, they're ugly houses. There's problems with the home. It's not well taken care of. There's holes in the roof, tarps in the roof, and stuff like that. So, how do you typically pitch them?
I mean, dude, I don't pitch it. I have them pitch me. That's the big key here for my real estate wholesaling deals. You don't want to be what the average wholesaler is, where the average wholesaler is trying to sell them. You want the motivated seller to sell you why you should buy the house. So a couple things you do there. The number one thing that I can tell you is I do the cold calling basically the same now. It's just I'm having a conversation. Are you looking to sell a property? That's it. Do you want to sell this one? Yes or no? Simple as that. If you are, let's have a conversation where they'll be selling to me. If they're not, I don't want to talk to you. That's it. You're just looking to buy property. There's no pitching. Like, why would I sell, for example, like if you try to sell me a New York Jets jersey, I ain't going to buy it. I'm not your buyer, dude. I hate the Jets. I'm a Dolphins fan. So why would you try to sell me a New York Jets jersey? Like, there's no
Okay.
point of selling someone to sell, like, for you to buy their house if they don't want it.
Okay.
Now, if I'm
Now,
at a
what
hot
about?
baseball game and I got hot dogs and ice cream, you're probably going to want it.
Yeah.
So that's how I do it, dude. If you want to sell a property, you say you want to sell it, boom. Then let's have a conversation. Let's get this thing sold.
Okay. Now, what? How do you typically reject or come back with whenever they ask, "How'd you get my number?"
Yeah, the marketing department got it. Not me.
Okay.
I don't know how the marketing department got it. You shift the blame onto someone else. So they're the
Got
bad
it.
person, not you. By the way, hey, I'm sorry that they got it, but just by the way, I mean, are you looking to sell it? That's it.
Okay.
And if they say yes and they're mad about the marketing department thing, then you can go into more about it. But uh, really, that's what I do. Like I shift the blame to good cop, bad cop. You don't want them to
Okay.
be mad at you, especially on the first phone call. They might get so mad that they want to sell it that they're not going to tell you they want to sell it. So that's my result. That's my advice on there.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
Thank you so much for watching this video today. Consider liking this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm so my videos can get shown to more people so I can help my mission on this channel to help you make over $100,000 in real estate wholesaling absolutely for free. If you're getting any value out of this whole channel or from the clip today, please consider subscribing to the channel. It means so much to me. Have a blessed day.